Our next contestant from 98 PXY, Moose the DJ.
All right, you ready for your routine, Moose? Okay, music, please.
Music.
Count me in.
Okay. Go ahead.
You got designer shades to hide your face, and you wear them around like you're cooler than me. And you never say, hey, remember my name. And it's probably because you think
5, 6, 7, 8.
Woo! All right, your pom-poms, get your pom-poms. All right, we got to ask you some questions, though. We also have to ask you some questions. So, Moose, if your man came to a game and wanted to kiss you, what would you do? Well, and you're doing your job, you're in the middle of your game. What would you do?
I'd say, no, you can't have any of this, because it's not for sale until after the game.
Okay. Anybody else have a question?
Yes, I have a question.
Where are you going, Moose?
You can ask me the questions when I get back and give you a phone call.
Come on!
Oh,
Really good question.
all right. What'd you think of him?
I tried. I think he needs a little work. His technique was off a little bit. Overall, I see some potential. Maybe some appearance type issues. Confidence, though, he definitely has the confidence.
Yeah. He could lose a few pounds, right?
He definitely needs to go to the gym and just tone up.
Okay. Well, that's Moose's auditions for the Nightingales. Thank you.